Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the details of the NewYall rear left driver side power sliding door cable repair kit, specifically designed for the 2004 to 2010 Toyota Sienna. If you've been experiencing issues with your sliding door, this repair kit is your go-to solution, compatible with both the 3.3L and 3.5L engine models. Crafted for durability and ease of installation, this kit ensures your sliding door operates smoothly and reliably, restoring the convenience and functionality you expect from your vehicle. The NewYall repair kit includes all necessary components to replace the worn or broken cable, making it a comprehensive fix for your Sienna's power sliding door issues. With this kit, you can save time and money by avoiding costly dealership repairs and getting back on the road with confidence. Designed with precision and quality in mind, it's an essential product for any Toyota Sienna owner looking to maintain their vehicle's performance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.